What I'm about to show you is a game changer, and it's something that just blows customers' minds constantly when I do this, and it comes really in handy. So let's get to it. So what it is how to measure large things using either Google Earth or Google Maps. So when it's on your phone, you want to use Google Earth. If it's on a desktop, either one works, but I like to use Google Maps on the desktop. Now we use this for measuring people's yards. If they're wanting to know how much pre-emergent they need to put down on their lawn, we can easily just zoom in on their house and measure the square footage of your yard. And this is the right way to do this. So what you're gonna do is open up your phone and go to Google Earth. And then you're gonna type in your address or zoom in on your house. We're just gonna pick some random house here, like this one. If this is your house, I'm sorry. And then what you do is on the top right corner, there's a little thing that looks like a ruler. You click on that, and then you move the cursor over to the corner of a yard, hit add point, and then you start scrolling around, and it's going to give you a linear distance. And then you add another point to create another stopping point for that ruler. And you just keep measuring around the perimeter of the grass or around the yard. And eventually you can trace around the house. I'm just doing this really rough to show you. And then once you get over to close in this polygon, it'll give you this option to close the shape. And you can see that the perimeter of the shape is 708 feet, and what's inside of it is 9,973 square feet. So this person has about 10,000 square feet of lawn if they're trying to figure out how much product they need for their lawn. This is also great for measuring acreage of land plots. It's good for measuring the square foot of roofs, or at least estimating the square foot of roofs if you're looking at, roof estimates or something like that. And also just point to point distances, like how far is it from my house to Mexico? You can do that here too. And best of all, it's absolutely free. So use this information however you wish.